Andrea, you should buckle up.
Nah. Andrea, it's for your safety.
Oh, sorry, Uncle.
All right, here we go.
My doll!
Uh-oh. This is why you should buckle up.
You're right, Uncle. Buckle up!
Very good. Oh, hi, did you have your skate? 3 skates, please. Sure, coming up.
Yay! Thank you, Uncle Sam.
Oh, can't forget this. Safety first.
Okay, let's go.
Wait, make sure to buckle up.
Oh, you're right, Uncle. Hello! You got it, girl! Super duper! I'm doing it!
Way to go! Yeah!
Woohoo!
Whoa! Good job! Way to go, Ellie!
I'm doing it!
Yeah!
Super duper! Thank you. Bye.
Bye! Don't forget to buckle up.
Okay. Andrea, that's wrong. But this is faster.
Andrea, safety first.
Oh, sorry.
Go, go!
All right, kids, let's go back home. You ready?
Uncle, don't forget to buckle. Remember?
Oops, you're right. All right, here we go.
Ellie, the doll fell. Oops. Buckle up, remember? You're right. There, let's go.
Kids, all this mess isn't safe. Clean up, please.
Oh, okay. I'll get it. No, I'll get it.
Wait, girls!
Huh?
Grown-ups should answer the door. It's not safe.
Sorry. Uncle Max?
Do you want to skate?
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Wait, don't forget to buckle up.
Whee! So much fun. Woohoo! Ooh, I want to try. Stop. Huh? You need a helmet.
She's right. Come over.
Oh.
You can pick one of these.
I like this one.
Great choice. Here you go. Alrighty.
Yay!
Oh, Rapunzel. Safety first.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Whee! Ellie, no cutting. Sorry. My turn. Whee! That was fun. Yay, it's my turn. Wait, no shoes allowed. Oh, sorry. Now it's my turn. Wait, stop! Huh? The slide needs to be cleaned. Look! Oh, I can help. Done! Now I can go. Wait, you can't can't go yet. Why not? I need ball pits. Yeah, ball pits. Oh, I can get some. Uncle, we need ball pits.
Oh, okay.
Whoa, so many. Can you help?
Oh, sure.
Right here, Uncle.
Okay.
Wow, that's a lot of ball pits. Let's put them down the slide. Here they come. That's all of it. Now we can go, right? Wait, we have to check your height.
There's a roller down there.
Okay. Okay, well. Maybe next time, Ellie. No fair.
What's wrong, Ellie?
I'm too small.
Ah! These should help.
Ooh! Thank you! Charlotte, check again. Let's check. Huh? Impossible! Hey! Ellie, no cheating. Maybe next time.
Hi, Ellie.
Hi.
What's wrong? Do you want some water?
Thank you. Actually, can I get the big bottle?
Oh, you must be really thirsty. Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye.
Ah. Charlotte, check me now. Coming. Huh? This can't be right. You still need a helmet, Ellie. Huh? What's this? Uncle!
Coming.
Can you help move this?
Huh? This is a different ruler.
Wait a minute! Check, Uncle!
You can go on the slide.
Yay! Charlotte wasn't telling the truth.
Charlotte!
This is not right, Charlotte. Sorry, I was being selfish. Want to slide together now? Yeah! That's all I wanted!
That's better, Charlotte. People make mistakes, but kindness always wins.
Hey! Excuse me? Hey! Stop right there! You are driving too fast. Here's your ticket. Really normal? Yes, for speeding and driving carelessly. Here you go, officer. Thank you. Now, remember to follow the rules. I will. Sorry. Taxi! Can you take me to an art event, please? I'm late. All right, hop in. Bye. Can you go faster, please? I'm late. I cannot drive fast. I already have a ticket. But please, I'm in a hurry. Ah! Safe.
Slow down.
Huh? Not stopping at the stop sign? Remember to follow the rules. I will, officer. Sorry. Oh, I'm so sad. Let me get a snack. Huh? Hey! Look what you did. Officer, Officer, please don't give me a ticket. I don't have any more marbles. No, you don't need to give me any more marbles. Really? Thank you. Yeah, well, you can't drive anymore. I should go. Okay, bye. Oh, how can I drive again, officer? You need to go to the driving school.
Well, I'll teach you how to follow the traffic rules.
Oh, okay.
We should not drive so fast
Slow down!
or so slow.
Hurry up! Yeah, hurry up.
You should always yield for the pedestrians. And we should keep everyone safe by not littering too.
There's so much trash. Okay.
Now, here's the test.
Drive carefully.
Wow! You passed. Congratulations!
Yay! Thank you very much. Here's my driver's license, officer. Congratulations, Ellie. You received your driver's license back. Remember to drive carefully. Bye. I want a toy. Uh-oh. I want a toy. But Maddie, that's dangerous.
Yeah, you can get hurt, Maddie.
I'll reach out of the crib next time. Okay. Thank you. Wait. Andrea. Yes, Maddie? Can you get my toy? Good job, Maddie. Way to be safe.
Maddie, time out. This could be dangerous. Now you're safe.
Thank you, Roy.
Girls, lunchtime.
Wow! Yeah! Uh-oh. Maddie, I'll get some paper towels.
Enjoy freeze. Going underneath the sink is dangerous. Only adults should go underneath the sink.
Okay, Uncle Roy. Here you go, Maddie.
Aha! This is much safer.
Oh. I can open it.
Exactly. Huh? Freeze! The stairs are dangerous. Aha!
Oh. Let go. Wow. Maddie, let's play hide and go seek. I'll count. You go hide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shh. Ready or not, here I come. Where's Maddie? I hear Maddie. Found you.
Whoa, that's dangerous. Freeze! You girls can slip in those socks. I have special socks for you.
Cool.
Now that's much safer. These are no slip socks. Kids, time out.
Huh?
This could be dangerous. How to make this safe? Ah, this is much safer.
Oh.
Here, you girls try it.
Be safe. There, much safer.
Remember,
Always be safe. Bye. Yay! Come on, Eric, let's play. Yay!
to go, Janny. Sorry, Eric. Maybe next time.
Not fair. I never got to play. Jenny, can I try?
I can help you.
Okay. Hey, safety first. Huh? Again? All good, Jenny. Eric, let's check your height.
That bike's made for Janny's height. It could be dangerous.
Maybe next time, Eric.
Which costume should I wear to the costume party?
This one?
No, this one. Ooh, a monkey. I'm ready. Eric, are you ready?
Oh, sorry. Pink is cool. I'll wear this. I'm ready.
Whoa, that looks too big.
No, it's fine.
Kids, come on, let's go.
Wait, you're breaking the rules. Let's check your height. Safety first. That's good.
Okay.
That's not good.
Whoops, I forgot this. The seatbelt won't fit properly without a booster seat.
Okay, that's better.
Oh, it's over here, Eric.
That's good. Stop! Your costume is too big. See? Huh? This is fine. It's not safe to dance in those. Try a costume that fits. It's safer.
The party was so fun, right?
But I didn't get to go.
Oh yeah, that's right. I'm sorry.
I can't do anything you do.
Make sure you finish this, okay?
Okay.
I'm thirsty. Ooh, water.
I want to water too. Jenny, can you help?
I'm busy, sorry.
It's too high. Stop. Safety first. Huh?
What happened?
Let's check your height. Good job. Eric, your turn. Uh-oh. Huh? What happened? Ask for help when something's up high. But I'm thirsty.
I got it, Eric.
Oh, thank you, Uncle.
Kids shouldn't climb. Ask an adult for help instead. Kids, it's bedtime, okay?
Okay.
This is so uncomfortable. I'm too big for this bed.
Huh? Jenny, this bed is a little small for you.
What should I do?
Height check. Perfect. You both should switch beds.
What? I like my airplane bed.
But it's perfect for Eric, and it's a little small for you.
Well, okay. What do you say, Eric?
That's fine.
Oh, this is comfy.
This bed is perfect.
Good night, Eric.
Good night, Jenny.
Remember to ask an adult for help and try not to compare yourself to others. Bye!